What's up, YouTube? Hope everybody's doing alright today. This is a sunshine request. It's the same as a FOIA request. In Missouri, they're called sunshine requests. Recently, I went and did the post office in Reed Springs, and the chief of police decided to answer the call, because of course they called the cops on me. So he wouldn't identify. He acted like a tyrant, so I went and did a sunshine request on his information. And of course, it says, unfortunately, there's no body camera footage from call number 702. Radio and the complainant's call will need to be requested through dispatch directly. The chief is hourly, $22 an hour. He works 40 hours a week. Chief Eaton, his name is Eaton, started his employment on August 24th, 2022. Chief Eaton does not have any complaints, valid or invalid. Well, we know that's true. He gets to approve them or disapprove them himself, or they go to the mayor, which, if you saw my city council meeting there, you understand how that went. Policy to identify. The chief has informed me. She went and asked him, the guy I was complaining on. The chief has informed me that there is not a policy to identify. That's incorrect. They probably don't have one, but the Badge Act of 1993 says you have to. Chief Eaton's employment history is not open to the public. It surely is. They just don't want to give it. But anyway, just a little quick video. Wanted to let everybody know what was happening. Regarding the outcome of that, I still have to go back and get the radio call, because I want that. I want to know what they said. There's some weird nerd out there filming us. And you know how it goes. But anyway, I hope everybody's having a great day, and with that, peace.